We have been sailing down the coast of Nova Scotia this summer. We are enjoying the beauty of this province and coming into new harbours. In the last episode, we left Harbour Island. Now we are making our way towards Sheet Harbour with an overnight stop to anchor behind Goose Island. Wow, nice flat sailing conditions today. Just a little bit of wind. Wind's died down. Heading toward our anchorage.
So we're tacking our way up around Turner's Island, and then we'll be heading downwind towards our anchorage by, what was the name of the place over there? Goose Island, I think? Yeah. Now the wind's been shifting around, so
And the strength up and down.
yeah,
We're going 7 knots and then we're going 2.
strength and directions.
Interesting.
But we're inshore here, so it's not to be considered unexpected. So we sailed from Harbour Island to Goose Island today. It was a nice sail, nice calm conditions. The swell was pretty much gone, and some fairly fast sailing in there. And now I'm making calzones in a frying pan. It is homemade vegan cheese. And there you go, honey.
Oh, wow. That is huge, Mark. That's enough for 2 meals. I think it will be 2 meals.
Cut it in half and save the other half for tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll do that. How's your calzone, Mark?
Quite good.
Nice and big one.
Mm-hmm.
Looks nice and browned.
Mm-hmm.
This is one beautiful anchorage. This is very wilderness, Nova Scotia.
Yeah. Not a whole lot around.
No. There's a few houses across the bay there. Morning at 6 o'clock a.m. and we are getting ready to leave.
I think there's some mosquitoes that want to come with us this morning.
You think so? Well, Sheet Harbour is our goal today.
Go on port tack, because we've got rocks right there.
Yeah,
Stuff.
good idea. We're just behind this island and we ran out of wind for the moment till we get up there a little farther. I feel something.
Yeah, pull in on your jib sheet there.
Nothing.
We got our wind back a little bit. Moving along again. We get out away from the land, we'll be better shape.
I'm getting a little more breeze now. This is Frying Pan Island. Just rock. Another bell. Some of them sound better than others. This one's a little more creaky.
So we're on close reach, going 6.1, sometimes 6.5. Along nice. A little bit more navigating today, shoals and rocks and islands to get around.
Quite nice out here.
Yeah, one power boat on the horizon there. No sailboats.
I like it when we're cruising along.
Yeah,
Good.
we're almost close hauled now.
Yeah,
Wind is shifting to the west a bit more. But we don't have to tack, we can just keep one long board along the coast.
this island is called Pumpkin Island. We've got about 5 knots of wind. We're just slowly coming into the mouth of the harbor. Going into Sheet Harbour. The birdies seem to be flying very close to the boat.
Yeah, so it was a tough tacking drill coming up between those two islands. Must be a bit of a current through there. We weren't able to point up into the wind very well. Ready about? We know.
Yep.
So we can collect rainwater off the deck once it's been rinsed off well enough. And we don't typically use this for drinking necessarily, but it's good for, you know, washing and all kinds of stuff like that. And if we need it for drinking water, we definitely will use it. We've got a filter that we put it through that removes all contaminants, bacteria, that sort of thing.